All right, here we go. Here's the test with the sound deadening panels in place. And this is post recording production with the calibration call with Wyatt. So just looking right at the camera here. And I'm going to give it some dead space here to just get the bruise free working. And that is with the HVAC is also still running as well. So that's running there, and excited to see how this looks here with this setup. Let's look at that glare on the TV I'm going to work on, but overall, pretty pumped about it. And yeah, just grateful and excited to be able to create some stuff like this. It's pretty cool.